Reading an ebook isn't quite like reading a paper copy of a book, but the ebooks available through your university library have all sorts of useful features to make reading them as effective as possible. Many of these replicate the features of a regular book, the contents page and the index, for instance, which come in really handy for tracking down the information you need inside a book. Most academic books will have a contents page listing the different chapters and sections within. As well as showing you the contents pages on the screen, most ebooks will allow you to click on a menu of chapter titles and jump straight to them, to save you scrolling through the book. Some will even allow you to download individual chapters to your computer. Quite often, you'll only actually need to read one or two chapters anyway about particular aspects of the book's topic, particularly if all the chapters in a book are written by different people. Most academic books will also have an index page, which is an alphabetical list of all the different people, ideas, things, and so on that are mentioned in the book, telling you which pages they're mentioned on. This is really useful if you want to find out about a particular theory, for instance. Of course, you can look at the index page on an ebook and then go to the specific pages mentioned, but they'll also allow you to search through the book and jump straight to any mention of a particular word or name. Many of the ebooks will even highlight the word for you to make it really easy to spot. This means that even in a book that might be several hundred pages long, you can get to just the right information straight away without having to flick or scroll through individual pages. Most of our ebooks also have the ability to make notes on them, a bit like being able to stick an electronic post-it note in there. If you're using a book online, these notes will be visible every time you return to the book, but nobody else will see them. Some books will even allow you to highlight on them. Again, only you will see the highlighted sections. Finally, you can print or copy a certain portion of each book, though this will be limited in line with copyright law. So, lots of helpful features in our ebooks, which we hope that you'll be able to make full use of. Don't forget that you can always contact your friendly librarian for help or advice.